rain-snow mix coming our way for today. Mostly it's rain in the lower Pioneer Valley with the better chances for snow, sleet, and even some spotty freezing rain coming in our hillier areas. Doesn't get here until after 3, say between 3 and 6, spreading through the area, and it wraps up early tomorrow morning. In the valley, especially the lower Pioneer Valley, it's mainly rain. East, north, and west of the lower Pioneer Valley, a light accumulation of snow, sleet, and some spotty freezing rain is possible. But limited impact with that, especially because we've had relatively mild days lately. The ground temperatures are warmer now. Into the weekend we go with a sun-cloud mix in 60s. Our next rain comes after the weekend on Monday. And in fact, we've got a lot of up and down temperatures over the next week that you'll see on our 7-day forecast here in a second. So this is the wet and wintry weather coming our way. Looks closer than it is because there's a lot of dry air over us that's actually going to slow the arrival down of the rain and wintry weather for us. But we're going to notice an increase in clouds first. You can see at 9 o'clock, any early sun that we get will fade away, and we're mostly cloudy by noon, if not earlier. The afternoon, early afternoon, dry. 3 o'clock and later is when we expect this round of rain and wintry weather to come in. A little bit of some wet snow, sleet, and rain in the Berkshires at 3. Most of us up and down the Pioneer Valley still dry at 3, but between 3 and 6, this wet and wintry weather arrives. Mainly it's rain in the green here in the lower valley with a wintry mix of weather, snow, sleet, and some spotty freezing rain north and west of the lower Pioneer Valley. Then we go into later on tonight, and temperatures are actually going to start warming up. Say 9 o'clock and later, we'll see a warming trend that will take away the snow. Then we're left with some sleet and spotty freezing rain, and then the regular rain spreading throughout the rest of the area. So by midnight, most of us are just dealing with plain rain except our very highest of western and eastern hills. Then after midnight, it goes to all rain for everybody. Here we are at 4 a.m. Leftover rain showers. These showers are done by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. If you wake up after 7, it's just cloudy. Going through the morning, clouds give way to a mostly cloudy time by noon, and then a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow afternoon as we brighten up nicely. So a mostly cloudy day today. Late afternoon, rain or wintry mix, depending on where you are, 44 to 48. And tonight, the wintry mix then turns back to rain. Our low temperature for the evening will happen, say, around mid to late evening, and then the numbers start to rise through the night. As far as accumulation goes, just some flakes or a couple sleet pellets in the lower Pioneer Valley. But dustings and conings possible east, north, and west of the valley. And this area right here, our highest western hills, have the best chance for some freezing rain and possibly up to an inch of snow there. So this is not looking like a big snowmaker for us. Just remember, if you're traveling in the hills this evening especially, there could be some slippery spots.